Like my previous project, I'm going to take a cardboard sheet. This is the regular cardboard piece, and I'm going to trace out or draw out my patterns. Now here is a tip. When you are using a difficult pattern, especially one which is symmetrical on both sides, I prefer to take a small piece of paper about the same size as that of the pattern, fold it into one half and draw just half the pattern, and then cut it out to get my stencil or the pattern. Then I place it on the cardboard and trace the perfectly symmetrical design and cut it out. So today I made 3 patterns, one of an angel, another the tree, and lastly a star. Using a punching machine, I punched one hole in each ornament. Now using some white acrylic paint and a brush, I made swirling patterns over the angel and the star on both the sides. For the tree, I did a little different. I made some dangling lights over the tree, again on both the sides. Now once all this is dry, on the angel I painted a red heart using acrylic paint, again on both the sides. Now taking a small piece of sponge and white acrylic paint, I dabbed along the edges of the ornaments, giving it a little snowy effect. Here are the 3 ornaments, the star, the angel and the tree. Again I took about 10 inches long jute string and made it into a loop and made the loop or the string for hanging the ornaments. This time I added this small cute red ribbon near the knot of the ornaments. They are ready to decorate. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video, and see you in my next project. Thanks for watching.